Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look into an Indian menu, butter chicken masala. So this is a very famous Indian dish. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. You can check out the measurements of the ingredients in the description box below or in the beginning of this video. Let's start marinating the chicken now. For 200 grams of boneless chicken breast pieces, add the curd. Next, ginger garlic paste, some lime juice, oil, garam masala, red chilli powder, and some salt to taste. Mix it all together until it's well combined. Close it with a cling film and leave it to marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 to 60 minutes. Let's get started with the butter masala now. Take a pan, add some oil and 2 cubes of butter. Let the butter melt. Once the butter has melted, add the chicken pieces which you had already marinated for about 30 to 60 minutes. Cook the chicken well until it has turned into a nice brown color. Once the chicken is cooked well, transfer it to a separate bowl and leave it aside. Now let's prepare the masala. It is the base of this dish. Take a pan, add some oil. You can even use the oil left over after frying the chicken. Now add some ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste has gone. Add some curry leaves. Mix it again. Add the sliced onion. Tomatoes roughly chopped. It doesn't matter if it is roughly chopped because we are going to blend all this together. Now add some dried red chilli, 10 cashew nuts. Give it a good stir now. Now let's add all the spices. First you need to add some salt as per your taste. Next add some cumin powder. Now add some curry powder and then coriander powder. Make sure these spices are of good quality for you to get a good taste. Next, a pinch of turmeric for color, fennel seeds, about half a teaspoon, some sugar or honey to give a bit of sweetness to the dish. Finally, add some fenugreek seeds. This is an alternative for kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves. Give it a good mix, close the lid and let it simmer until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Now transfer it to a blender jar. Add some water as required and grind it into a smooth paste. Make sure there are no lumps. If it does, then pass it through a sieve to get a smooth texture. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon butter and some red chilli powder. Cook the red chilli powder until it's well combined with the oil and add the ground masala paste. Give it a good mix. Combine the masala well. Once the masala is well combined, add some water to loosen the consistency of the masala. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and if you feel that the masala needs a darker color, you can add a bit of food coloring, either yellow or orange, a few drops, and then give it a good mix. Now add the chicken pieces which you have already cooked before. Combine it well with the masala. Now close the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now add the fresh cream. Give it a good mix, and your butter chicken masala is now ready. You can substitute the chicken with paneer or tofu if you are a vegetarian for the same base. Finally, it's time to add the herbs now. I'm adding some dried chopped parsley. This is optional. You can skip it if you do not have this. Next, let's add our coriander leaves, just a bit on top. And finally, we can add our mint leaves. These herbs gives a good flavor to the dish. You can skip it if you do not have it, but try your best to add at least coriander leaves. Give it a good mix until the herbs are well combined with the masala and the chicken pieces, and you can serve it hot with some parotas, naan or roti. There you go with a delicious dish, butter chicken masala. Now you can garnish it with some fresh cream. If you are a person concerned with diet, you can substitute fresh cream with some cashew paste. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please do try out this recipe and let me know your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Till then, signing off, Shazra.